Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over the first tool that we have that just by default is on the tool shelf, and this is known as the contact tool. For this to work, I had to have somebody else networked on my ATAK network. Right now it is my other phone that is sitting right next to me that is known as Buddy. This is the fake location I gave it, somewhere in Texas. There's information about it. Right now this phone that I'm on right now, known as Wiz, and my other phone Buddy, are currently connected over ATAK because they're both on the same Wi-Fi router. There are a variety of other ways to get different ATAK or WinTAK devices to network. I have a separate video on that in the video playlist. But right now we're just going to focus on this tool here. So if I go to the contacts tool, this shows me who I'm connected to. Right now I'm connected to one other EUD or phone, and it's known as Buddy. If I click on it, if I click here, it'll take me to the location of that user, and then here's the whiz wheel for that user. Cool. Back here in the contacts tool, if I click on this little chat box here, I can send messages to my other device or receive messages from that device. So I'm going to send this other phone test 2 and send it. Cool, my other phone received that message, and I'm going to reply with test 3 and send it, and you can see I just received that. If you do not have the contacts tool currently open, like it is closed right now, I'm going to send the message test 4 from my other phone. I sent it, and now you can see that the contacts tool has an alert, meaning that I've received a message. I can click on it and go to the chat and see that I just received another message. Down here you have a bunch of predefined, I guess, like keywords you can send to the other device. So if I click this, I can send Roger, I'm at breach, whatever. Yeah, in the contacts tool, you can also set up different chat rooms or groups of people. Say if you want to talk to, like a group of guys instead of a singular guy, you can create a group of different individuals and talk to them all at once and have little chat rooms. Yeah, that's the contacts tool. Next video, I'll be going over the layers tool.